Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to September Build a Journal 2025, where we are building a journal throughout the entire month. So by the end of the month, you have a fully decorated, ready to go journal. So far, we have gathered our supplies. Okay. We have cut our papers and decorated our cover, and we have made tags and pockets. So today we are making paper clips and journal spots. So for a quick recap, this is still August 5th, you guys. I'm just filming these right in a row. My cover that I decorated, and I made my own binder. I made this binder in that first video, well, second video, is over here drying because I had to Mod Podge it. So it's drying. So I did all that. I have my tags and pockets off to the side. And now we're going to do paper clips and journal spots. Now, my digital kit that I have has journal spots. So we're going to take all these out. And I don't think I'm going to cut out all of them. I think I'm going to cut out the ones that that would be good sizes for me personally. And I think that's it. So those are all our journal spots. Oh, these are also journal spots. Let's cut those out also. And we need to make paper clips. Now, I like to make 5 of each. I'm also going to pull out a bulldog clip. I have it sitting here. It's been sitting here forever. So I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to pull out 5 paper clips. I'm pulling out bigger ones. Oh, I have this purple one, so I'm going to pull out that purple one. And, oh, I have a green one down here. So we're going to pull out the green one. So that is 5 paper clips. Yes. I also have, maybe I'll get rid of a paper clip and use one of those. So there we go. So I have a bulldog clip as one of my paper clips. I have a clothespin, little mini clothespin as one of my paper clips. Okay, so what I'm showing you now is they don't have to be paper clips. You just want them to be some kind of clip. And then I have 2 big, 2 small. I do have, let me pause. So last year I must have also done a Halloween journal last year, because I do have some Halloween charms left. Let's see what we have. I have some ghosts, a hat, a witch's hat, a cat on a broom. I'm going to use the witch's hat, and I'm going to use one of the ghosts, and I think I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to save the rest for another year. Okay, put those back in the drawer where I had them. So I'm just going to use the big, I'm not even going to put a jump ring on it. I'm just going to wind this through so it will dangle. I should really, let me see if I can find a jump ring. Okay, I do have some jump rings here. I'm just going to take out 2 jump rings. I'll put that aside. I also brought out alphabet beads so I can make word paper clips. So I think I'm just going to use the colored ones for this. I'll use the purple and the green for that. And then I'm going to dig out some words. So I will be back because it takes me a while to dig through all of these. Okay, off camera, I did grab what I needed. Also, I cut out some of the journaling cards, not all of them. There's a lot in this kit, but I did cut out some. And these are the ones that I cut out. I had to cut out the animals. Come on. They were super cute. So there's 5 plain ones. And then I kept these 3 groups together because I thought they would make really good private journaling spots. So what I'm going to do with these is put a pocket on the front cover. inside front cover. And if I need a private journaling spot, I'm going to put all my journaling spots in there is what I think I'm going to do. That way. And you don't have to just use these for journaling. They could also be decorations in your journal because we already have tags. We have all that. All right. So we also have our clips. I'm just going to clip these on here so we don't lose them. We have our paper clips. I almost called them safety pins, you guys. I have 2 words to go on my paper clip, and I have a jump ring and a charm for these paper clips. Yeah, I'm telling you, some days I feel so completely brain dead. I'm just going to put my charm on, and I'm just going to put it right on the edge of the paper clip. Come on. And then I'm going to move it back together. What is going on here? That was stuck closed. This is not the one that I had. The one I have is missing. Like, this is some other one. This one's rusted and stuff. Like, this is not my needle nose pliers. I don't know what happened to mine. I had one that came with my cinch. And when I tell you, this is not those, because these just keep getting stuck together. I don't know what happened to those. Once upon a time, people would just take stuff out of my craft room if they needed it. And now, that's really going to annoy me. Okay, I just grabbed a pair from my boyfriend's workshop. I don't give a shit. We're just going to add this last one onto here. Now this stuff can actually go in your journal now because it can easily be moved if you don't want to lose it. I would like pick a page and just put them all on a page. I have everything. First of all, I'm doing as many videos as I can today. I won't be able to do them all because it's still drying. But there we go. We have this guy here. I'm just going to put him right there and he'll hang like this. And this one will hang from this side. So I have one hanging from, can go from each side. And then I have the word ghost over here. Now to do these, you kind of have to open up your paper clip a little bit. So you can slide them on. Don't worry, you can bend it back. So we're just going to use the word ghost. And we're just going to bend it back. That's all you have to do. I'm going to use this to really kind of get it back and squeezed into place, and there we go. Ghost. You can do your paper clips however you want. You can do decorated paper clips. You can do your paper clips however you want, you guys. And then it just goes like that on your page. See, like so. And we'll do the other one. I'm going to do it this way so it can go on the page the other way. Now I was going to do scary, but I couldn't find a Y. So I have scare. And now I'm doing it backwards because I want it to go on a different side of the page. Just like the ghost charm goes on the other side of the page. I want the same thing here. And then just bend your paperclip back. Easy peasy. Ouch, though I did just hurt my finger. Okay. Pull this apart. Bend it back in a little bit. Okay. And now, when you put it on a page, it's going to go on this side of the page. Like so. Okay, so here are all my paper clips. I have the ghost, the word scare, the word ghost, a bulldog clip, a clothespin, and a little witch's hat. It says Good Witch. All right, that is it for this video. So today we made paper clips and journal spots. So here are my journal spots and my paper clips. And in the next video, I'm going to put those aside. In the next video, we are doing ephemera and envelopes. All right, we are halfway. Once we get to here, we are halfway done. Yep, the word is done. We're halfway done with our September Build a Journal. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, share me with a crafty friend, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.